Oh, that's the pop that I want.
There you go, nice one. I covered my short. You went long.
Yeah, that's
We
pretty
both
awesome.
make money. Everybody's making money.
Everybody's happy. Good morning, everybody. Bearable traders and YouTube. We survived another week. Vladimir did an attack. So let's see when this market is gonna stabilize. I think until March we're gonna have a really volatile times, and then as soon as the interest rate increases and the tightening starts, we get a rally back toward all-time highs. That's my prediction, but nobody knows. That's $1 billion question. As Shakespeare says, if you can look into the seeds of time and say which one will grow and which one won't, speak then to me. So nobody really knows that. So for me today, Roku got destroyed on the earning. DKNG, DraftKings also as well. So both of them had really, really bad earning last night. They dropped more than 20%. I didn't get to trade them. Roku, a lot of traders, Jared got it at 105, run it all the way up to 115. A lot of traders got this Roku, but I just couldn't. It was a really nice 1 minute range breakup, but I just hesitated to pull the trigger on that. I don't know the stock and I'm not really comfortable trading it. For me, it was a really nice bounce from NVDA. NVDA sold off through this level. I had two levels here, 240 and 241, which is the previous day low. So I tried to catch the bounce through this level. So I think it's 2 days ago low. So I tried to catch this bounce. We broke this level. We haven't got this 240 level yet. So I tried to go long in between. I was ready to add more because sometimes you don't get these levels down to the penny. So it's very, very important that don't miss the move. So I went long, and as soon as I saw it's holding for a couple of minutes, added heavily on that at 240 all the way up to 45. So that was a really, really nice bounce, and I got out as soon as it came back and tested VWAP. Same trade I did on TQQ. So I got the same trade on TQQ at 51.40 all the way up, added just below the previous day close, the king of levels, as Jared says, pop up all the way up to. I actually missed the selling here, and I'm still in TQQ, so I still have a couple of 2,000 shares of TQQ left, and see if we can go back to the high of the day or not. So, but I missed scaling out at 52.70. For TQQ, I also got a small bounce here, and then one big stop out. So eventually I turned out profitable for me. So that's one trade. Another one I got stopped out, and this is the last trade that I did. Turned out to be really nice. And that was it. Yeah, so these two trades for me, that was a really, really solid day for me. I still have TQQ. I might get stopped out. And so I close my day right now 21.30.90, almost 22 grand. So that's pretty good. So we can sit on that, and plus a bunch of other positions that I have. So that was I know, Brian, you did a really nice trade on NVDA at the open. You can tell us what you did.
It actually didn't turn out that great because I did get it basically and almost ended up flat because I got it looked like it was going to be strong at the open. I did get in. I partialed half, and then it rolled over, and then I just had to get back out just below where I got in. Ended up getting so it was kind of a lame trade, but again it was just controlling risk basically. The one trade that I did that so I was saying in the room here a little bit earlier that I really that made my morning here was the DKNG trade. It showed some strength at the open, which is unusual for a stock gapping down. I think the CEO was on CNBC, so I think maybe it got talked the stock up a bit, but it went up above the VWAP there. But I was still going to play it as a rising devil, so I waited for some topping action there, and it finally started to top out a couple minutes in, and then took it short. Then I had a good area knew where I was going to have my stop if it went higher, but it rolled over, and then I just kept taking profits all the way back down to about 1840 from 1925. So yeah.
Very nice. I'm going to take another reversal on NVIDIA right now. Sold off really heavily. I think we're getting into S3.
It's funny. It's funny. I shorted it.
You shorted it?
At
Let's see what...
I shorted it at 240.
I don't have...
And I'm just going to cover some now while you were talking. Oh, nice.
So I'm getting some long here because on the other chart I see this is S3. Do you see guys S3 on that? I can see S3 here.
Yeah, it's rated S3.
I don't know.
237.60.
Yeah, surprisingly I don't have that. I don't know why.
Yeah, it's 237.62. It's below that now, but it might just overshoot it a little bit and bounce. It has sold off quite a bit, so I would expect maybe a bit of a bounce here.
So I'm gonna get that bounce and see. Maybe I gave 50 cents on that.
Roku's kind of giving up here after that initial. I wonder what that might have been, some kind of a short covering rally. What is the
oh, there you
short
go.
interest on?
Oh, that's the pop that I want.
There you go, nice one. I covered my short. You went long.
Yeah, that's
we
pretty
both
awesome.
make money. Everybody's making money.
Everybody's happy. Okay, yeah, I don't know, for some reason I didn't see that one here, but so let's see if you can pop to this moving average. That would be nice, just below the S3. Oh, there you go. Pop, nice. Sold. Oh, beautiful. Oh, beauty.
Yeah, see, yes, Oxy's popping up. That's interesting.
Wow, beauty. So live trade, actually I got that in the recap. So I saw big ask come in just below S3, and then we had this 237.76 level, which is down here back in Valentine's Day, February 14.
Yeah, SPY, you got big help from the SPY. I don't know what's going on there, but SPY just did a big pop to the upside.
Yeah, very nice. So I'm still in both NVDA and TQQ, guys. So these are my positions. So I got NVDA 237 and TQQ. I still have 2,000 shares, so that's good. It's moving up. That's really nice. Let's see if you can go up. I'll get a stopped out at the break even.
Yeah, I just a general comment. I'd be a little bit cautious about the end of day here today.
So I'm gonna get a stopped out on
logic,
NVDA. Guys. I'm gonna get a stopped out.
Yeah,
on
logic.
NVDA. Yeah, I lost it.
Yeah. Logic is telling me today that there aren't going to be a lot of swing traders, investors that are going to want to hold over the weekend. That's just my, sometimes if you try to rationalize market moves, it doesn't always play out, but
NVDA might go toward S4, and in that case, the way that it's going up, it might go toward S4.
Yeah, 232. I'm just thinking that a lot of people are going to be nervous holding over the weekend, especially a 3-day weekend.
Oh yeah,
and
so
with stuff going.
Monday is a holiday, guys. By the way, sorry, Brian, because I'm still doing the recording the recap. So Monday is a holiday.
Yes.
President's Day in Canada is Family Day. So happy President's Day and happy Family Day and happy whatever you are in any part of the world. So I'm gonna stop the recap. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, and we appreciate the like or subscribe to our channel. We are actually have good news. We're gonna hire Ardi and I are gonna hire a professional videographer as part of Bearable Traders team, like full time. So we're gonna actually increase the quality of our production, and that's what we're hoping that we can do. With after hours of traders, more and more actually to have better production in the financial education. All right, guys, thank you so much, and see you on Tuesday morning, guys.